Oh, that's already facing that way. It's not the same the first. It's not the same the second time. Shut up!
Bright light. I don't like that.
Oh, they're pretty. Hey. Oh, up and down. They're doing side to side. I'm all like, why aren't you working?
This is you.
Oh, it is? Oh, that's me. These are buttons.
She's naturally a blonde. You can see it in her roots.
I actually do have blonde strands of hair in my hair. It's not as natural, but whatever.
So my theory was wrong.
Shut up! I wanted to pick it up. I'm sorry, I didn't do it. No, stop!
I'm having way too much fun with this thing. It's a Batmobile. Hey, look, make me pedo stash.
I thought these were buttons. They're your BS.
They are lights.
Just lift up. Oh my god. They're not buttons. They're not lights.
Oh my god, look, costume. I love how you keep going back to it.
I keep thinking these are buttons or not.
Turn those on.
I know. I turned them on. I know. No, I'm kidding. Oh, they're so sexy.
She just referred to the buttons as sexy.
Yes.
No. She referred to me. Oh, wrong way. Oh, no. No, I'm
Like,
watching
no,
mine.
the lights.
Oh, so beautiful. They're so bright.
She'd be perfect to operate the lights in a club. All she has to do
I'm
is,
sorry,
like,
I'm just picturing her in like a spaceship and just pressing all the buttons.
NASA should never hire her.
Why not? I'd blow the whole spaceship up. Or maybe like crash into a black hole and then never be seen again.
You can't crash into a black hole. You'll be sucked in by a black hole.
Sucked in by a black hole.
Okay.
I didn't do anything. No, stop.
I regret nothing.
Oh my god.
Blow my phone.
It's still going. Don't do that.
Are we gonna call it a day for our buttons?
Asia and her buttons. That's,
You
don't
had
push
your
my buttons.
you had your fill of pushing buttons.
No. Possible. No. That's what kind of buttons you're talking about though. That's a shark.
Are we done? It's a shark. What?
I think it's a shark.
I think that's pretty.
There's like buttons.
Okay, I'm done.
Bye.